Your voices cannot defeat me!
No.
I'm sorry for everything.
No. I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.